what would be your view on the market opening on Monday in two scenarios? If nothing happens over the weekend between Israel and Iran, and if something really breaks out, in those scenarios, what do you see the opening quote of the Nifty?
If we look towards if we get any bad news in the coming 2 days, definitely we are likely to witness a more gap down because I believe whenever the market closes at the day's low, probably we might see the gap down opening in the next trading sessions if we get something bad news. So probably in the next week itself, we are likely to hit the levels of 24,600 or 24,500 levels. So that are the targets I'm looking forward. But if we are not getting any negative news, and definitely then we might not get a gap up opening, but definitely a swift opening will be seen. But a very good kind of a recovery can be seen into both the indices Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and which might if then the Nifty will manage to take a bounce back rally towards at least 25,700 to 25,600, probably on an intraday basis itself. So those are the two types of scenario levels I'm looking for in for the next week.
See, overall, I am very much optimistic in our market, and if the scenario remains subdued, that if nothing has happened on the weekend, then I can expect that bulls may return on Monday and they will start buying the market because of two things. One, as I have mentioned, that Nifty is at its very strong support of 25,000, being a psychological mark, and put writing have also been very decent in 25,000. So there can be a strong retracement from here onwards. Also, the 50-day exponential moving average is approximately around the same zone, 25,060 approx. So I expect that these levels should provide very strong support for this counter, and we can see some strong movement. And historically, as I already mentioned at the beginning of the show, that we have seen that the first week of every month there has been some kind of profit booking or correction, followed by 1 2 days of consolidation, and again there is continuation in the uptrend. So looking at the historical data, I expect if nothing happens on the weekend, if everything remains as it is, then we can see a change in the trend on the higher end. But again, not very much aggressive. 25,400 to 25,500 would be the immediate resistance or target that we can see for the bulls in the first 2 to 3 trading sessions of the week. But if there is some negative developments over the weekend, then from here onwards we can see a steep correction, continuity of the steep correction, because market has already corrected more than 78% of the recent rally. So I expect if there will be any strong fall off or continuation on the downside, then again I am also expecting 24,800 to be seen as a last resort for the bulls, and there we can see a strong movement. But if it breaches below 24,800, then another 300 point of movement can be seen. But I'm not that much pessimistic in the market. I expect that Monday we can see a reversal.